about in it, Scout. Every step you take's wasting it. But Jen, it's hot. It ain't hot, stupid. It's so cold it burns. Now, Scout, don't eat it. Let it fall. But I want to walk around in it. I know what. Let's go to Miss Maudie's. Hey! See what you done? It hasn't snowed in Macon in forever. It's bad enough that you children have these seasons changing. Jem Finch. You, Jem Finch. Miss Maudie's talking to Jem. You'll stay in the middle of the yard. There's some thrift over there under the porch. Don't step on it. Yes'm. Isn't it beautiful, Miss Maudie? Beautiful, my hand. But if it freezes, tonight I'll carry off all my azzles. What are you doing? Keeping him warm. How can flowers keep warm? They don't circulate. I cannot answer that question, Jem Finch. All I know is if it freezes tonight, all of it will freeze, and the plants will have to cover them up. So is that clear? Yes, Miss Maudie. Could Scout and me borrow some of your snow? Heavens alive, take it all. There's an old peach basket under the house. Haul it off in that, Jem Finch. What are you going to do with my snow? You'll see. What are we going to do, Jem? You'll see. Now get that basket and haul all the snow you can carry. Jem, are we going to have ourselves a snow baby? No, a real snowman. Gotta work hard now. Yes. Jem, don't you think this kind of looks like a mess? It's messy now, but it won't later. I ain't never heard of a nigger snowman. Won't be black and long. He looks like Stephanie Crawford with her hands on her hips, fat in the middle and little fudgy. I'll make 'em bigger. Mr. Avery's sort of like a snowman, ain't he? It's lovely, Jem. Look, he'd actually talk to you. It is, ain't it? Atticus! Atticus! Come here!
I didn't know how you were going to do it, but from now on, I'll never worry about what will become of you, son. You always have your ideas. Son, I can't tell you what you're going to be. An engineer, a lawyer, a portrait painter. You're perpetuating a near level here in the front yard. So you've got to disguise this fellow. You can't go around making characters of the neighbors.
It ain't a character. He looks like him.
Mr. Avery might not think so.
I know what?
That's fine.
Jem Finch, you bring me back my hat, that devil.
She's just finishing. She's really impressed with your accomplishment.
Is it morning already?
Baby, get up. Put your robe on first.
What?
Here, your shoes and socks.
Is it morning already?
No, it's a little after 1. Hurry now.
What's the matter? Whose is it?
Miss Maudie's, hon.
It's gone, ain't it?
I expect so. Now listen, both of you. Go down and stand in front of the Radley place. Keep out of the way. Do you hear? See which way the wind's blowing.
Oh, Atticus, reckon we ought to start moving furniture out?
Not yet, son. Do as I tell you. Run now. Take care of Scout. You hear? Don't let her out of your sight.
Scout, please. Why don't they hurry? Why don't they hurry? Oh, Lord, Jem. Hush, Scout. It ain't time to worry yet. I'll let you know when. Scout, he's stuck. Oh, God. He's got loose, Scout. He's all right.
Get down from there, you
He's
dick!
got loose. Okay.
The stairs are going!
Jem, he's
Mr. Avery!
pumpkin. Scout, look. That book. What? That Tom Swift book. It ain't mine. It's still. Don't worry, Scout. It ain't time to worry yet. Look at yonder. See there? He's not worried yet. Why ain't he on top of the houses? Sabrina. Okay.
No, you're not
Too
cleaning
old,
it.
he
They
break
are.
his neck.
They're
You think that we
cleaning
ought to make him get our stuff out? Don't pester him. He'll know when it's time.
Anybody want some hot chocolate? And I thought I told you and Jim to stay put.
Well, we did.
Then whose blanket is that?
Blanket?
Yes, ma'am, blanket. It isn't ours.
Atticus, I don't know, sir. Mr. Nathan was at the fire. I saw him. He was tugging on the mattress.
That's all right, son. Looks like all of them make home without tonight. In one way or another. Jim, there's some wrapping paper in the pantry, I think. Go get it and well.
Atticus, no, sir. Mr. Nathan put cement in that tree. Atticus, and he did it to stop us from finding things. He's crazy. I reckon, like I said. But Atticus, I swear to God, I ain't ever hurt us. He could have cut my throat from ear to ear that night, but he tried to mend my pants and said he ain't ever hurt us. Atticus!
Whoa, son, you're right. We'd better keep this in the blanket to ourselves. Someday maybe Scout can thank him for covering her up.
Thank who?
Boo Red.
You shouldn't walk about him. Look, every step he takes wasting it. The ground is hot. No, it ain't hot. Didn't you? It's so... You shouldn't walk about him. Look, every step he takes... Yes, it is beautiful, ain't it, Miss Lonnie? Get it from my hand.
Keep going, I'll cut it, keep going.
I got that! Keep my hand! Oh dear! Do you... We're running out of stuff! You don't come here! No! Hold his belly! Okay,
Walk over with one hand on your hip like,
no, like this.
I'm all man.
What are you doing? Oh my God, no!
Wake up.
This is a bad dream! Go, look! Let's go!
No!
Do it! You can't! You can't! Come on, let that wrist. Do it!
Stop it, you're gonna hurt Frank!
Do it! Jackass! Do it!
Of course I am. Go!